Welcome back. So in the previous video, I have showed you the demo application that we are going to build in this section. Now it's time for us to take one step in our journey. So what I will do, I will just go ahead and create the projects files. So what I will do, I will here in my terminal, I want you to open your terminal. I will navigate to our desktop, then to our Expo projects folder that we have created at the beginning. Okay, and if I list right here, we can see we have only the first application that we have built previously. I will say Expo init for initialization or creating a new Expo project. I will call it 01 my design app. Okay, I will prefix all the application that we are going to build with my, then the name or the benefit of that app again. So feel free to call it anything. I'm going to hit enter. That will go ahead and take some time. It will go ahead and create a new Expo project utilizing the Expo CLI. But here we are going to stick with the blank managed workflow project. Okay, this is template. Okay, I'm going to hit enter. That will take a second, a minute, really depending on the internet connection speed that you have. But again, we don't have anything to do beside waiting for this. So I will end this video, and in the next video we are going to start with our project structure. So I will see you in that one.